what to do, how to move. Yes, really changed in these past few days. I see myself, I see the lights on else. I don't know how to take this. I don't see why he moves me. He's a man, he's just one man, and I've had so many men before, and very many. He's just one more. Should I bring him down? Should I scream and shout? Should I speak of love? Let my feelings out. I never thought I'd come to this. What's it all about? Don't you think it's rather fun? I should be in this position. I'm who's always been so calm, so cool. No love is full, running every show. It scares me so. I never thought I'd come to this. What's it all about? Yet if he said he loved me, I'd be lost, I'd be frightened. I couldn't go, just couldn't go. I turned